Are you thinking about opening a small restaurant in Chicago, but you don't know where to find the perfect location? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you the top 5 areas in Chicago to rent a small restaurant space. Hello, I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker and Paul Perano Commercial Properties. Let's dive in. First, River North. Known for its dynamic nightlife, diverse culinary scene, River North is a prime location for any aspiring restaurant. With high foot traffic and a mix of locals and tourists, your restaurant will have plenty of visibility and potential customers. Next, we have Wicker Park. This neighborhood is a culture hub, famous for its artsy vibe and electric mix of shops and eateries. The young, trendy crowd here loves to explore dining spots, making it an ideal location for a unique restaurant concept. Third on the list is Lincoln Park. This area is not only beautiful with its tree-lined streets and historic homes, but it also has a hot spot for families and professionals. The steady stream of residents and visitors to the nearby zoo and the conservative ensures a constant flow of potential diners. Coming in fourth is the West Loop, known for its foodie culture and the famous restaurant also known as Restaurant Row. West Loop is the epic center of Chicago's culinary scene. If you want to be where the action is, West Loop is the spot to be in. Last but not least, Lakeview, my hometown. With its cozy neighborhood feel, diverse population, Lakeview offers a supportive community for small businesses. Plus, proximity to the Wrigley Field, which means extra footage traffic on game days and a great bonus for any restaurant owner. And there you have it, folks, the 5 top areas in Chicago to rent a small space for a restaurant. Each of these neighborhoods offers a unique opportunity and vibrant communities that are perfect for their new venture. If you're ready to find the perfect spot, give me a call, 773-550-4846. I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker and Paul Perano Commercial Properties. I'm here to help you find the best location for your restaurant. See you next time.